Hi friends, welcome to Simply Jain. Turn your normal papad into delicious stuffed papad rolls. So let's start making it. Ingredients required for papad roll are Schezwan sauce, papad, raw banana, sweet corn, capsicums, cheese, cabbage, pepper, salt, green chillies and celery. First, take 1½ raw banana which is pressure cooked, 2 tablespoons boiled sweet corn, 2 tablespoons thinly chopped cabbage, 1 tablespoon finely chopped capsicums, 2 cheese cubes grated, 1 tablespoon celery, half tablespoon green chillies, salt to taste, 1/4 teaspoon pepper, 2 tablespoons Schezwan sauce. Now just mix everything together and make a mixture. Make it little spicy because when you roll it in the papad, the spiciness will reduce. I've mixed it properly and our mixture is ready. So this is the procedure how we are going to make the papad roll. So to begin with, first I have taken Urad Papad. Take small ones, dip it in water, let it rest for 30 seconds or 1 minute till the time you feel it's little soft. Don't leave it too long. Release the excess water. Now in this we are going to put the filling which we just made. Just wrap it. If in case your papad breaks, take another papad and follow the same procedure on the same one. Once the oil is heated, we are going to deep fry them. I had double wrapped all the rolls. Once it's golden brown, we will remove it. Our papad rolls are ready. Our stuffed papad rolls are ready. If you all want us to try more such different recipes, comment below and don't forget to subscribe to Simply Jain for a new recipe every Tuesday.